Hello, meet again with me Andy in the second video. This time I will present you a video about safety precaution in television repair. Okay, please watch the video. Thank you. Before you start your work, it's a good idea to pay attention to the following safety precautions. Number 1. Turn off the power. Make sure the TV is turned off and disconnected from the power source before starting any repairs. Number 2. Wear personal protective equipment or PPE. When repairing a TV, wear gloves, safety glasses, and a dust mask to protect yourself from debris or chemicals that can harm your eyes or skin. Number 3. Use a voltage tester. When inspecting internal components of the TV, use a voltage tester and ensure that the components do not have voltage present when being inspected or repaired. Number 4. Use the right tools. To make sure you are using the appropriate tools and have the knowledge of how to use them properly. Number 5. Clean the work area. Ensure that the work area is clean and free from hazardous materials and unused tools. During repairing your TV, there are a few things you should pay attention to. First, be sure to unplug the TV from the power source. Make sure the TV is first unplugged from the power source before starting the repair. This will ensure that there are no hazardous electrical currents that could pose a risk to you. Second, use personal protective equipment. Make sure you use personal protective equipment such as gloves, goggles, and appropriate shoes. This will protect your hands, eyes, and feet from sharp objects or other hazards when repairing the TV. Number 3. Check cables and connections. Make sure that the cables and the connection on the TV are not damaged or loose. This will help avoid the risk of electric shock and help fix the exact problem with the TV. Number 4. Do not touch the inside of the TV. Avoid touching the inside of the TV if you are not very knowledgeable about electronics. Some of the components in the TV can pose a danger to you if you don't know what you are doing. Number 5. Avoid changing the internal settings. Do not attempt to change the TV's internal settings unless you know exactly what you are doing. Changing the internal settings may cause damage to the TV or even a risk of electric shock. Number 6. Learn from a reliable source. If you are unsure about how to properly repair your TV, it is best to consult a trusted source such as a user guide manual or websites related to the TV repair. After repairing the TV, there are several steps you need to take to ensure the safety of you and the TV set. Number 1. Turn off the TV and unplug the power cord from the wall socket to avoid electric shock. Number 2. Make sure that there are no loose or dropped parts inside the TV which could cause problems later. Check all bolts and fasteners to ensure that they are properly seated. Number 3. Ensure that all cables and connectors are properly connected and that no cables are kinked or pulled, which could cause cable breaks or other problems. Number 4. Make sure that there are no foreign objects inserted into the TV that could interfere with performance or cause damage. Now, before turning on the TV, ensure that everything is in a safe condition and ready for use. Make sure you have a protection circuit installed and that the outlet you are using is safe and working properly. Alright folks, that's enough of my presentation this time. I hope it can expand to our insights about this safety precaution. See you soon. Bye.